What up, YouTube? Oh shit, hang on. Alright, what up, YouTube? Okay, wait, oh shit, hold up. What up, YouTube? Back again with a special lighter review. But, which lighter review, yeah, smoke, but pack can last me for a good while, so no big deal. Anyways, lighters that I prefer: classic Zippo, pretty good flame on it. Just put gas in it today, so yeah. And of course, yeah, if you could see, it's a genuine Zippo. But other than that, now, crazy lighters, crackhead lighters, or whatever you want to call them, blowtorch. Which this one was like my weekend lighter, but it got a little bit too dangerous. I don't know, like, because it does have a feature where you can lock it and then it'll stay on, but it's too close to the trigger. And if you're not, you see how the flame takes a while to stop. I don't know, so that's pretty much retired this lighter. So, but it's a good lighter, it works. And this one is more of a novelty thing. If you've played the game Metro Last Light or something like that, where they're in Russia, which mine is more of a blowtorch compared to the wick lighter that he had in the game, where he's, which, I mean, I still like it. And then you basically refill it through there. You take the bullet off, but really, yeah. Now, the new weekend lighter, which this bad boy, I just picked it up today. What I'm really digging, you could see your level of fuel. It has a dust cap, and you have 3. But you saw how I let go of the trigger. But if you're not careful, what I like it's on the back. So you shouldn't do that easily. But anyways, and you get a little dust cap. But other than that, not bad for $4. Because I mean, there's other lighters out there like this where they're like 7, 6, $10 for something like this. But good deal. Oh, and the adjust valve, you literally pump this thing out and you could adjust your level of, and then you just refill it, which that's the good part. God damn, I'm not even smoking yet. Ooh. Damn. Alright. Peace out, YouTube.